Good morning students. In previous lecture we were discussing chapter number 4, skeletal and muscular system. And student, we have discussed in different parts of a skeleton: shoulder blade, rib cage, backbone, skull. Now in this lecture we will discuss the bones present in arms or bones present in legs. So student, let's start. So student, there are 3 bones are present in the arms. You can say that arms is divided into the 2 parts. This is the upper part and this is the lower part, and this upper part of the arms is attached to the shoulder blade, you can see, and this upper part of the arms has a long bone that is called humerus. And now student, this is the lower arm, and this lower arm present below the upper arm. And student, you can see here there are 2 bones are present, radius and ulna. And you know student, our hand and wrist have 54 bones, but in our upper arms have a long bone, humerus, and there is the 2 bones, lower arms below the upper arm, radius and ulna. Total we can say that hand and wrist also, hand and you can see this is the hand and wrist, this is the wrist watch. You can see that when you use the watch on the wrist, and there is the hand and wrist have the 54 bones are present in the hand and wrist. Now student, bones in legs. There is also upper leg and there is also a lower leg. You can see like this, we have discussed now upper arm and lower arm. In the same way there is a upper leg, you can see the thigh also, and the lower leg also there is a 2 bones also present. So upper part of the leg or thigh has the longest bone in the body, femur. So what is the longest bone in the body, whole body? Yes student, femur. This is the longest bone of the body. Okay. And now the part of the leg between the knee and the foot, you can see between the knee, this is the knee and this is the foot, and there are also has 2 bones, tibia and fibula. And feet, you can see this feet also, they are made up of the many small bones. Okay, so I hope you understand students. So how many bones are present in arms? 3 bones. Yes, what are these? Humerus in upper arm and radius and ulna in lower arm. And how many bones are present in hand or wrist? 54 bones are present. Now student, bones in legs. How many bones are present in legs? 3 bones. In upper, femur is the longest bone in the body, that is called femur. This is the longest bone in the body, and the part of the leg between the knee, this is a part of the leg between the knee and foot has the 2 bones, that is called tibia and fibula, and the feet are made up of the many small bones. Okay, so you read this very carefully. Now student, if we talk about, we have discussed the longest bone in the body is femur, and you know the smallest bones in the body. Yes student, stapes, and this bone is present in the inner ear. Okay, now student, we will discuss the function of the skeletal system. Skeletal. And we have discussed also uh, function of the skull also, rib cage also, backbone also. So these are also the function of the skeletal system. So first of all, you know, bones are hard. When you touch the bones, how do they feel? How do you feel? Hard. But student, you know, bones are hard outside but soft inside. And you know, there is a soft and spongy fluid also present in the center of the bones, are called bone marrow. Have you listened this name, bone marrow? Where this bone marrow present? Yes student, in the center of the bone. And this is a soft and spongy fluid. And you know what is the function of the bone marrow? Yes student, bone marrow makes red blood cell. You know what is the color of blood? Yes student, red. Why? Due to presence of red blood cell. And you know student, our skeletal system is made up of the bones of different shape and sizes. So first of all, we will discuss the function of skeletal system. First of all student, it gives shape and structure to our body, just like beam of a building. Beam means a bundle of iron. It provides the shape and structure also. And you know, it protect the internal organs also. And we have discussed, for example, skull. What is the function of the skull? Protect the brain. And what is the function of the rib? Protect the hearts and lungs. And we have discussed also function of the backbone. Backbone protect the spinal cords. And you know student, bones also helps to move. Why? How? Because these bones attach to the muscles, and when the muscles move, the bones also move. Understand? Okay. So I hope you understand the function of the skeletal system. So read this full. This chapter, I think this you should read very carefully. Different parts of a skeleton, and write notes in homework notebook also, and learn this also, the function of the skeletal system. And in next lecture we will discuss the joints, where the two bones meet. Okay, I will show you now. You can see this. You can see here the two bones. When the two bones join together, they form the joint. So this joints topic we will discuss in next lecture, and function also. What is the function of the joints and ligaments? Okay students, take care. Bye.